Your bank account starts leaking money for a box of tea you only intended to buy once. This is the predatory reality of Nuraslim. It begins with an aggressive ad. It promises a metabolic breakthrough. It claims to flush out toxins and flatten your stomach overnight. The website looks slick. It looks like a legitimate health revolution. But the truth is buried in a web of deceptive engineering. You see those little notifications at the bottom of your screen? The ones claiming someone just bought 5 packs in a city near you? Those are completely fake. They are generated by a simple script to create a false sense of popularity. The countdown timers telling you the sale ends in 10 minutes are just as hollow. They reset the moment you refresh your browser. This is a high-pressure checkout funnel. Its only goal is to bypass your logic and get your credit card details. Once you click that order button, the trap snaps shut. You might think you are making a one-time purchase. In reality, you are likely being sucked into a hidden subscription loop. These operators are masters of the auto-billing trap. They bury recurring charges in the fine print. Suddenly, you see mysterious fees every month. Trying to stop them is nearly impossible. There's no verified corporate office to call. There are no medical experts backing this product. There are no clinical trials to prove it works. That is because the product is just a collection of cheap, white-labeled herbs. The main ingredient is often just senna leaves. You can buy that in bulk for pennies. It does not melt fat. It does not change your long-term metabolism. It is a basic laxative. It forces your body to lose water weight through bowel movements. You feel lighter for a few hours because you are literally empty. But your fat cells stay exactly where they were. Any weight you lose will return as soon as you hydrate. Science is very clear on this. Detox teas do not eliminate fat. Your liver and kidneys are already doing the heavy lifting for free. They are your natural detox system. Paying for this tea is just paying for a stomachache and a drained bank account. The people running this operation stay anonymous for a reason. They hide behind layers of web privacy. They use cloned sites and stolen layouts. They move from one brand name to another the moment the complaints get too loud. They rely on the hope that you will not notice a small monthly charge. Or they hope you will be too frustrated by their lack of customer service to fight back. This is not a wellness company. It is a highly deceptive e-commerce machine. It preys on your desire to feel better and look better. They use psychological triggers like artificial scarcity to make you act fast. They want you to buy before you can do a quick search and find the truth. It is a massive trust gap designed to profit from your health goals. You are worth more than a bag of cheap laxatives and a recurring credit card charge. Do not let a fancy landing page and some fake pop-ups talk you out of your hard-earned money. Real health does not come from a secret herbal rinse. It certainly does not come from a company that hides its identity. Stay skeptical and keep your wallet closed to these overnight miracles.